tatanggal ko. Okay, pero pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung markings. Okay, so ito magte-test tayo ng unit. This one is ENC 856 Doveski rifle. Ito. So it's a full metal unit with M-LOK handguard, around 9.5 inches. Ito. So with front and rear sights. So yung flash hider niya ito, guys. Okay, so for the handguard, wala akong nakikitang marking sa kanya. For the receiver, ito metal receiver. So ano lang to, sticker lang to, guys, ha. Meron tayong full markings for the handguard, Doveski markings, working bolt catch, selector, metal selector with rotary type chamber. Ito. So may mga markings din dito. Walang markings. So ito lang yung markings niya. Okay. So dalawang kulay ang meron tayo nito, isang color tan and itong color black. Na i-test natin ngayon kung ilang FPS out of the box. So this comes from the new batch ng ENC na dumating last week. So ang FPS ranging ng mga unit na dumating is around 400 plus. Hindi pa naman namin natitest lahat, pero most of the units is 400 plus naman. Okay, so may swivel na rin siya, guys, for sling attachment. So naka ano siya, Veltor na or Ultor na buttstock. So may 5 position siya, guys, na adjustment. So may kasama siyang LiPo battery and charger out of the box. Okay, so test natin kung ilang FPS. So again, this ganitong buttstock, meron kasamang LiPo battery at saka charger. Okay, test muna natin. So magazine is 300 rounds, metal magazine. Ito yung kasama niya. So camo type. Okay, so test natin, firing. 400. So nasa 390 siya to 400 out of the box. Kuloto. So nasa 390 out of the